Hi David, so our bot is ready. That's called Universal File Downloading Manager. Okay, I am going to send you this zip file, and now you can follow these steps to run this bot on your PC that I am doing right now. Open this folder, go to application files, again open this folder, and first of all you have to run this exe file, universal file download manager.exe file. Okay, this is the application. Okay, now downloaded files will be saved here in this folder, and here are the files for names and URLs that we will use here in the bot, and here you will see the exported files for the statistics with the current date and time. Okay, so I have some data that you sent to me here. Keep remember that we need the file extensions with the names. So we have to input the names here. There are 100 names and 100 URLs. Okay, make sure that the count of these true rows are equal. So 100 URLs and 100 names, and we can restore the database by clicking this button. Okay, now our database has been restored, and then we have to click the start button to start the bot to download images. Okay, click start, and let's see. Here we can see the counts, and here there are custom filters that we can use in this bot, and there is also a search panel that we can use inside this bot. See, it's downloading the images right now. Image name is this one. This is the URL, and this is the complete directory of the image. Okay, in this PC, and this is the status. When we open this downloading files folder, then we will see the files here. Okay, okay, let's export. I think it's enough for the demo. When we click the export button, then it will export the Excel file with the current date and time, okay, in this folder, and then our bot will ask to open this file itself. Then we have to click yes, and we will see the file here. All the data is here. Okay, I hope you will like this bot, and if you face any problems with this bot, just let me know. Okay, and when the status says not done, then it means image not downloaded. Okay, so take care please, and let me know if you face any issues. Bye bye.